Are all loans bad? In a tweet early this year, Nitin Kamath, founder and CEO of Zerodha, shared that after the pandemic, there has been a big increase in personal loans and credit card borrowings. Now, in the tweet, he said that the good side of this is the deepening of credit, but the bad side is that some people seem to have borrowed too much or borrowed beyond a point where they are not able to afford it. And a report also said that rising small loan defaults may throw risk of India into a broader economy. Now see, these kind of reports raise fear among people. But the truth is that loans can either help you grow your wealth or drag you into a cycle of stress and financial strain. So let's understand this better with examples. Now for instance, you took an education loan of 10 lakh rupees to pursue your MBA. And yes, you are in debt, but that loan helped you land a higher paying job. So now you're paying it off comfortably over a period of 5 years. Now this is a good loan because it helped you build your skills, increased your income potential, has a lower interest rate, and it also comes with tax benefits. Now second situation is where you imagine you have maxed out on 3 credit cards. You bought latest gadgets, went out on a holiday, ate out frequently, but now you are drowning in EMIs and interest rates over 30% annually. This is a bad debt because it funded consumption and not growth. It carries a higher interest rate, affects your credit score, and has no asset backing it. Now that we have looked at both the examples, let's look at some of the examples of good debt. Number 1 are home loans. This is good because the property will appreciate over time. And number 2 is business loan. When used wisely, this can help you build something valuable and earn profits over a period of time. Number 3, education loans. These lead to better job opportunities. Note that all these types of loans are tied to appreciating assets or income growth. They are investments, not just expenses. Whereas when we talk about bad debt, these are typically tied to depreciating assets or lifestyle expenses. And that is when loans become dangerous. Number 1, personal loans, which you have taken for extravagant weddings or vacations. Second is buy now, pay later schemes that are for our wants and not needs. Number 3, overdrafts or payday loans with higher fees. Number 4, loan rollovers or bank transfers without a plan. So how do you differentiate? Just ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, is this loan going to help me earn more money or build wealth in the long term? Number 2, is this interest rate manageable? And number 3, do I have a repayment plan set for myself? If the answer is yes, then it is probably a good loan. Remember that good debt will always help you grow, whereas bad debt will get you stuck.